Okay, let's get moving on this one. So I've got 4 slices of bread. And as you can see, what I've done is I've buttered one side, and these are the outsides, okay? Now what I do is I melt my butter, use a brush and brush it on, because you can get a really beautiful surface area. You know, you can get every bit done, which kind of, you know, makes it look wonderful at the end. And this bread I'm using is a wholemeal bread. It's a brown bread. Use white bread, or if you want, you can use a ciabatta or something, you know, whatever like that. Okay, so like I say, these are the outsides. So let's flip these over. Let's get some stuff in there. So I'm going to get some cheese in. So I'm using some Edam cheese here today. Bit of Edam. Then we're going to go bacon. And again, you can use any type of bacon you want. I've got a back unsmoked bacon, which I've cooked, obviously. Let's pick this up. Got 2 bits. I've got 1 more bit here, which I'm just going to cut in half so we get equal bits. It's a democracy in this kitchen. That's great, isn't it? And then I've got some sliced avocado, which we're going to pop in. That 1 avocado for these 2 sandwiches, half again each. That looks great. Let me just grab the other half. Get that in there. If you want, you could get some cilantro or coriander in this if you want. Make it a bit more of a guacamole, whatever you call that. I'm keeping it just like this. Fabulous. 1 second. Little bit of salt. Little bit of black pepper. That's quite a lot of black pepper actually, but yeah, beautiful. Then I'm going to go 1 more slice of cheese. 1 more slice of cheese, and then we're going to get the tops on. So again, butter outside, on that goes. Butter outside, on that goes. Beautiful. We're going to get those on my grill, my kind of press grill, for 4 minutes. So I've got one of these George Foreman type things. This one isn't a George Foreman, but you know, you get the idea. It presses down like that. Okay, over it goes. We're going to give it a little press down. Oh yeah. See you in 4 minutes. By the way, I've got mine on maximum heat. Okay, let's jump in and take a look, shall we? Oh baby, they look great. Oh, that looks good. Let's get these out onto the board. They sound beautiful. Yeah. Let's cut these open and see what we've got. Oh, look at that. Look at that beauty. Nice and easy, nice little snack. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave us a message, say hello. We do like to hear from you every now and then. Keep well, keep safe. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.